Hello viewers on the Bon Savin Kazano Salam Kanpi. Good news in the Zadu Tayong Tasanumen. FIFA in All India Football Federation ban and also anala dotai. FIFA in anasay mabangaso AIFF in full power atutaka ban hi kilado ding heti so anasay hen tidanso hichi masanga so AIFF here Supreme Court akuna Committee of Administrator khat ane kisim hen hisi COA sun AIFF thane ne si so anala do a anala pia COA hen India football ke man sa ne si so wai so ano hob hen hisi aso hisi de salo ne ji aso AIFF so FIFA in ban na ball hen aji so India so football international match yan lang dang hen like kisim the taloding so tele under 17 women's world cup host ball ding so October host ball dion so ball the talo ding tia so ana se hin la to here Supreme Court in amaho FIFA in angi ena amaho demand so accept ana ball pin Supreme Court in COA so terminate ana ball tan AIFF so full power football India football governing body khat hina full power so ana pi ta ja so FIFA in hisi ban he ana la do heta ya so tila India in amaho ki got na banga October 11 to 30 ke kasunga amon women's under 17 world cup agunu yang so sil thai ding hai tai sutele adang lang international friendly sen lang nang club level la kichit na di lam hilong le imacha ke kham ta poya se so henten chuting le election to September date to jing le thai hitan hi cha he election AIFF election mungkin te ding ta hi cha he president na he footballer loi chutin le Indian international captain an here India team captain here Baisung Bhutia amaya nomination abolin chuting le Chaube amaya here Indian player loi he an Kalyan Chaube amaya he Mohan Bagan goalkeeper khat an hi in amate ni he AIFF president hongki te handing he amate ni AIFF president sungsang thu tham khat anase within September date 2 lehen his election he ki panding he taya Kalyan Chaube he koiham iti ahla amaya he Indian player lui khada hi an amaya he goalkeeper an hi in Mohan Bagan hoya he an ki sim he shooting le India team aya he an ki sim he an ma he goalkeeper hoi ta kha chon hi in tu BJP leaders kha jong hi in chule politician min phawta kha jong so hi ama hin asena so State Football Association josi ama ho office sa ana ding he 10,000 square feet demand ka bol he chutin la ngai chat he aji chu hela so decision making hen lang adang dang yong le meeting dang dang yong le he chi muna so nupta bowling State Football Association ho hen ama ho office so he hoi ta num ta yong anei po ve ti so aman an sei pi pen hen Baisung Bhutia chu he so ke ta wen ma so Indian football captain amin phau ta khat ong he je chun introduce base ong ngai pon Baisung Bhutia anasena so AIFF president ahi ahle ama hen grassroots level lang he focus bowling chuting la state level players yan lang chuting la national players yang la coach lang a he tam khat introduce bowling chuting la quality coach song he produce bowling so la State Football Association ho adinga budget 50 lakhs each year budget kaiding aji chu state league hen lang grassroots tournament hiang le State Football Association hoita sum lapai ning ta conduct a ball do na thedinga so 50 lakhs budget jong he introduce ball saditi so ama main and object khat ani hi en koi pen hong kai do hon dham ti wan so ake nai pon thugu ki joda na so State Football Association ho hen Kalyan Chaube he ama he support bowling ti so news akuna so akimu en Kalyan Chaube he nomination file a ball he seconded hen ball he Arunachal State fa hen seconded a ball he so ten la Baisung Bhutia he le Andhra Pradesh in seconded an ball he alang khara ga sedinga Baisung Bhutia ama State Football Association president Ithen Pa Kisan hen Baisung Bhutia he support an ball pon ama opponent pa he support a ball in APG pen ta support a ball hamti wan so Baisung Bhutia se dong zuya ama he ama personal interest adinga he Kalyan Chaube he support a ball he ti so anasayin aman kum izat ham khat he iten pa he Sikkim Football Association alam kai president hi en imasa development no hin pulut poiti so amanan se hin to su mi hon anado na so ipida baisang butia support na bolo hamatia hala who will bet on losing horse ati question ahat moding chu ipiti ki support dam ti na so hi yengen aji so ata asan lo hin Indian footballer loi Nirmal Chetri Sanju Pradhan hoan Sikkim Football President iten pa ama tse chu condemn ana ball ben social media ayo baisung botia en Northeast Football Association lam kai ho koma public ta request ana ball hin a support ben hisi AIFF president kichuna hin nei support ben ti kha chona sena ji so ama ya Northeast mi hi je asum ama season kinai pi Northeast mi ho so State Football Association ho so appeal ana ball hen ama adenga so ama hen public ta so post ana ball hen chuten le ama hong kai ding yon ta san omen nanong ga ki choose in lang koi pen na de yam ga ki thanen so be em akaya hele State Football Association house ding 10,000 square feet nei ding hite sunga chu SC yang nup ta ke la ding nup ta office a to ding chichuna de yam alo le grassroots level hen lang State Football lampanga khanto na hen lang chutin le budget ki sim na langa 50 lakhs akum sia chutin le chapang ho football khanto na dinga pan hen lagu baisung botia amayo na support am khat pen ga akela no te comment down koi hat am yote